With 150 feet of waterfront and only 20 minutes from the city, with this 4-bedroom home, you don't need to book a vacation. You can live at one.
Welcome to 22 Cottage Lane.
The open concept living space has a pellet stove and a ductless heat pump.
Plus the dining area and a beautiful kitchen with a large island.
And one of the highlights, the screened-in back porch overlooking the Nashwaak. Outside, you'll find a wired-in baby barn with a loft and a shed big enough to park a truck. Not to mention the stunning waterfront, perfect for kayaking, canoeing, fishing, and enjoying the outdoors.
Completing the main floor, you'll find a bathroom with laundry and an office or a bedroom.
Let's head upstairs.
This level has another full bathroom and 3 bedrooms.
Including the primary with 2 walk-in closets, a heat pump, and a private balcony.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 22 Cottage Lane,
visit FrederictonHomes.com.